Building your dream home out here in the beautiful hills of East Tennessee, I mean, that's the goal for so many of us, right? But what if I told you that the very ground beneath your perfect piece of land has a secret that could stop your dream dead in its tracks? Well, today we're going to dig into the unique soil challenges we face in the Tri-Cities region, and more importantly, how you can build that dream home anyway.
So you did it. You found the perfect spot. You can almost picture it now, can't you? That custom home. Maybe it's nestled in the rolling hills near Kingsport, or it's got that amazing view looking out over Johnson City. Everything seems absolutely perfect.
But just under that gorgeous green surface, our land here, it holds a secret. And it's a challenge that catches a lot of aspiring homeowners completely off guard. And believe it or not, it all comes down to one single, really critical test.
And that test is called a Perk test. Now, Perk is just short for percolation, which is really just a fancy way of saying how fast water can drain through the soil. If your land fails the Perk test, it just means the ground is too dense, it can't absorb water fast enough for a normal, standard septic system. And around here in East Tennessee, that happens, well, let's just say it happens a lot.
So what is it about this beautiful place that makes our soil so stubborn? Let's go ahead and uncover East Tennessee's soil secret. The problem really boils down to this triple threat we've got going on in our ground. First, you've got that famous red clay, right? It's tiny little particles packed together so tightly, it's almost like concrete. Then there's something called karst topography, which is a technical term that basically means there's a layer of hard limestone bedrock just a few feet below the surface. And to top it all off, we often have a high water table, meaning the ground is already soaked, kind of like a full sponge that just can't take on another drop. Okay, hearing all that might sound pretty discouraging. I get it. But don't worry, a failed Perk test is not a deal breaker. Not anymore. Modern technology actually gives us a way to build beyond the limits of a standard system.
This, right here, is the key takeaway. You have to remember this. Just because the soil is being difficult, it doesn't mean your dream is over. It just means you need a different, and frankly, a better tool for the job.
And I love this analogy because it makes it so clear. A standard septic system, it's like a simple pour-over coffee filter. You know, it totally relies on gravity and the conditions being just right. But an alternative system, oh, that's like a high-tech espresso machine. It uses pumps and pressure and some serious precision to get a perfect result no matter what.
So what do these espresso machines of the septic world actually look like? Come on, let's take a quick tour of the most common alternatives you're going to find right here in the Tri-Cities. First up is the Mound system, and you've probably seen these without even realizing it. If you see a perfectly neat grassy hill in someone's yard, that's probably what you're looking at. Basically, an engineered mound of special sand is built right on top of the bad soil, creating the perfect drainage environment from scratch. It's a really solid, tried-and-true solution, especially when that water table is high or the bedrock is shallow.
Next, we've got the LPP, or low-pressure pipe system. This one is the hero for all those sloping or rocky lots. It uses a pump to send a precise dose of water through the whole drain field all at once. This makes sure everything is distributed evenly, something gravity just can't do on a slope. And because the pipes are small, they can be laid in shallow trenches, so you don't have to do a ton of digging.
Then there's the ATU, the Aerobic Treatment Unit. You can think of this thing as a mini wastewater treatment plant for your own backyard. It literally pumps air into the tank, which supercharges these helpful bacteria to break down waste way more efficiently. The water that comes out is so clean that you need a much smaller drain field, which is an absolute game changer for smaller lots.
And finally, we have the most advanced option of them all, drip distribution. This works just like a high-tech irrigation system you'd see in a garden. It uses flexible tubing that's installed just a few inches underground. It's all computer-controlled to release tiny, slow doses of treated water. This makes it perfect for preserving the roots of beautiful old trees or for building on really steep slopes where nothing else would work. Okay, so the technology is really impressive, right? But having the right system, that's only half the battle. You also have to navigate the approval process. So let's break down what that path actually looks like.
You know, the process here in Tennessee is definitely rigorous, but it's also very clear. It all starts with a licensed soil scientist. They come out and create this incredibly detailed map of your property's soil. Then, a professional engineer takes that map and designs the absolute perfect system for your specific site. Finally, that design gets submitted to the Tennessee Department of Environment and Conservation, we call it TDEC, for that all-important final permit.
Of course, we have to talk about the elephant in the room, the cost. Look, a conventional system is the cheapest, no doubt about it. But these advanced alternative systems, with their pumps, their controls, their custom engineering, they do represent a bigger investment. You're typically looking at a range from about $12,000 on the low end up to $35,000. It's a significant jump for sure, but it's the very investment that can turn a so-called unbuildable lot into the site of your forever home.
So let's bring all of this together. With the right information and the right team of professionals on your side, you can absolutely 100% build your dream home, even on land that seems challenging.
So can you build on land that doesn't perk? The answer is almost always yes. It's true. What used to be a complete deal breaker is now really just an engineering problem to be solved, and it's all thanks to this amazing modern technology.
Now, to make sure you have success for years and years to come, just remember these key things. First, maintenance is not optional. Think of it like your car. These systems have moving parts, and they need an annual checkup. Second, protect that drain field. Keep excess rainwater away from it and never ever drive heavy vehicles over it. And finally, let's bust a common myth. A well-maintained modern system does not smell. And yes, it can handle normal use of your garbage disposal.
And here's a final little pro tip for you. You'll often find that lots with poor soil are sold at a pretty nice discount. So do the math. If you save, say, $25,000 on the land, and then you spend $25,000 on a top-of-the-line septic system, you've essentially broken even. But you ended up with a far superior system that really protects your home's value and our local environment.
Which kind of leaves us with one last thing to think about: your septic system. It's really the invisible foundation of a healthy home. It's out of sight, sure, but it's absolutely essential for your family's health and for protecting the beautiful landscape of East Tennessee that we all love. So, is it possible the most important part of your home is the part you'll never even see?
I think it just might